Test. Hello, this is my demo for PA6. So now I've got the animation swapping correct. I have not changed anything with my animation converter, but I'll just go through that since this is a new video. So I have these files that are animation data, and these store an animation frame. Okay, it's not working. But yeah, animation frame. So that stores the quaternion and translation data for each frame of the animation. And this stores all the frames as an animation, basically. So this contains this, and they're both wrapped inside of the Proto-Azul file. And then kind of convert 4 different animations here. This could be cleaned up for sure, but I'm setting all the quats in this method. A lot of this is hard coded, like the indices for the animations and stuff, for where things are stored in the GLB file. Set quat, and then I go ahead and create the file using the same name as GLB, this base name. So that's how that works. I convert them in there, and then I have these controls for my animation right now. I have an animation manager that I'm creating at the top here. Let's go in here, take a look. So I have an update method, and then I can add, right now I'm directly adding the animation controllers, and it's based on a D-Link manager or D-Link list. So I add the animations down here. I'm still creating them in the main game, like load content here, so this could be cleaned up for sure, but that's how I'm doing it for right now. And then these are the controls for my animations, and I'm swapping. I call update on the animation controller manager. Let's take a look. Alright, it's a little laggy here at the beginning, but so I've got one animation down here, a couple others over here, and one in the middle, and I can speed it up, slow it down, play it in reverse, speed it up, speed it up, speed it up, and I can pause it. And then I'll go ahead and swap it. There seems to be some lag going on, so I need to optimize something in the animation controller or somewhere that I changed. But yeah. And then there's this bug. I've encountered this. Something with the fall animation is going weird. It seems to be, oh, it's playing in reverse. That's what, so there's nothing wrong with it. It's just playing in reverse. All right. Anyways, this one is not a perfect loop, so it just looks a little weird. Let's see where I'm at here. And yeah, so I've got this all working. This is the one in the middle I'm controlling. And yeah, got 4 different animations. So yeah, so some things I want to improve on is the relationship between the animation controller and the game object. I was taking a look at this. I kind of want to change the way things are coordinated in here, or the way things are, like the hierarchy of all these, because I feel like I'm not using it the best way possible with the controller. I think things are a little fuzzy for me about the relation, like just the way game objects are set up in relation to the animations. Because right now I add a new animation and then it creates a new game object, whereas it makes more sense to have animations be like an attribute of the game object. And then like like I could set an active animation with a game object or something like that, and then just call update on the game object manager, and it would animate from within the game object itself. But I think what's going on right now is that animation contains game object as opposed to game object containing animations. And then there would be like each game object could have like a carousel of different animations that I can set to context. And then when it updates, it just does the animation within there. But this is how I have it set up right now. It's based on one of the demos. So yeah, where am I at? Yeah. All right. And memory tracking passed. And thank you. Bye.